doing? Look at your diaper. So I am currently making some pierogies. I need to put some more butter on there. Let me show you. I'm obsessed with pierogies. They're basically just like, what the fuck are they called? So I'm just gonna cook these until they get about like brownish golden and eat them. And yeah. We got the Pisces candle going. Okay. I'm gonna hurry up and get it. My Keurig. Yes. Coffee. It is currently 9. Oh my god. 9:59. And I'm exhausted. So until I buy a coffee cup, I'm just using these that I got from Walmart. And I'm going to be pouring my Delight hazelnut flavoring in here. And this is also hazelnut coffee as well. But I don't have any sugar, so this is just what I have to do. Okay, so hi guys. I have to wake up early and go to the grocery store to get milk and just other items for my baby and for us to eat on. In the near future. So just made tacos. Best mom award. He just likes to eat the lettuce. I don't know. Kris Jenner. She shot the fuck out. Do you love me? You love me?
You should be doing something.
You love me?
Good. Go on, they're waiting for you. Don't worry about me.
Monkey! Chico, 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 Bon Bon. Chico, Bon Bon. Chico, Chico, Bon Bon. Chico, 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 Bon Bon. Chico, 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 Bon Bon.
Me in my element. Get up here.
I'm Neil Ostrich, your beat on the street. All of Blunderberg is gearing up for the annual underwear parade, where everyone wears their undies outside their clothes, even me. As soon as Mayor Murphy arrives wearing the royal underwear, the parade will begin. Ayo! My microphone!
I can fix that.
Quiet, Blunderberg.
So hopefully he'll stay in his room. Hopefully he'll stay in his room while I can film. I need to film. I'm obsessed. I don't know if I've mentioned these, but my little Virgo, my little zodiac candles. I'm a Virgo North Node. And then I also have Pisces. But I'm obsessed with these. I got these at Target. They have so much more zodiac shit that I'm going to be getting in the future, like this period dodge. So, hi guys. I am about to make me some fries. Yay! This is the kind that I've been getting, the Alexia, okay? I don't know, but they're so fine. And a huge reward to how I cook my food. You guys know my bestie. Power air fryer right here. This is my best bud. And we eat together. Put these on my side. And just in case you wanted to see, frozen sweet potato fries. I put it on for 100. And you know what? I need to get more honey because, wow, I've never eaten so much honey in my life. I've been eating honey so much lately. I don't understand what's wrong with me, but it's a thing. It's definitely a thing. But we can't forget about the honey and the cinnamon. You guys know my two favorite. Oh my gosh.
Ew.
Yeah, why? Please tell me why.
No.
I need to clean up, but he's probably done made a mess in the bed. I'm gonna have to clean the bed, but you want your chips?
I don't know.
What?
Shush, shush.
Jalen is in the 90th percentile. He's very big for his age. And he knows how to climb in and out of his bedding. So my dad, whenever they came and helped me like put this shit together, this is supposed to be a little bit lower to the ground, so because like now he can climb in and out. And Jalen's like I said, he's very active. He's very smart like this. So yeah, he's just gonna hopefully sit here and watch and play. I mean, watch his TV. I don't know where his baba is. My mom got me these bottles. They're really for at her house, but I take them every time. I love them. We have 11 minutes left on the clock. Done creating my, like, what batch of merch is this? I think my fourth batch of merch. I'm so excited. A lot of you guys have been telling me that, hey Lonnie, I've got my merch, and I'm just so excited. I have, on the other hand, I have had to wait a minute to actually like receive why is it not, hold on, I've had to wait a minute before I actually received, I don't know why it's so blurry like that, but I've had to wait a minute until I like received my merch, just for the simple fact of fucking coronavirus bullshit. So it's on the way though. It'll be here like by May 29th, some shit like that. I'm so excited. And I'm still gonna be wearing my hoodies and my sweats probably still in the summertime because I keep my house really cold and I'm always cold. So yeah, I'll show you the fourth batch of merch that I've been working on. I'm actually obsessed with my merch. Obsessed. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so this is the fourth set of merch. Tell me this shit is not dope. Hold on. Tell me this shit is not dope. Tell me this shit is not dope. And you can get it in the blue color. It's like navy blue, red. This plum color and gold. I mean, gray. I'm actually obsessed. And this, so these are my, go ahead and check out my merch. The link will be below. But this is my merch. And so this is what I recently just created. This shit is so dope. I can't wait to get my hands on it myself. But, I mean, it's just so dope. And then, so today I've created these skulls. And I'm actually obsessed with that. I just cannot wait. Look at how dope. I can't wait to get my hands on this. Like, literally. And they're done.